Hi, I'm Tom. Not every project goes according to plan. My LED strip project is one of them. After a lot of measuring, I still managed to cut the cable too short. And I now need to extend the cable so it's long enough. I can't use a normal LED strip connector to do that because my LED strip is inside an aluminium profile like this. So the connector will actually be too big. So my only option is to solder the two LED strips together. And surprisingly, it's not that difficult.
Okay, so let's get started. I'm not an expert, or even close to one, but I like to fix things, and this seems like a good project for me to practice my soldering skills. So the first thing I did was to peel back the adhesive from the back of the LED strip. I only took about a half a centimeter, and you have to do it on both the LED strips. Oh, and for you who use the Imperial measuring system, sorry. I used a sharp knife to cut the adhesive, but you have to be really careful so you don't cut the wires that's under the adhesive. You just want to cut just enough so you can scrape the adhesive off and expose the cover. To make it easy to solder the two LED strips together, I stuck them down with a piece of tape to hold them in position. Make sure to line them up correctly. Now it's time to me to show off my soldering skills. I heated my soldering iron to 350 degrees. And for those who use the Imperial system, again, sorry. I melted some soldering tin on the tip of the soldering iron and then placed it on the top of the cover part on the LED strip. I found that for this job this was the easiest way. But normally I would place the soldering iron and the soldering tin directly on the cover part, because that will give the best result. Take your time, you don't want to rush this. Okay, so all finished, and here is the result. Sorry, bad camera angle. Here is the result. Not perfect, but good enough. And now, let's see if it works. Of course it does. And here is the result. I'm pretty pleased with it.
I hope you liked this video. I was really happy with the result, and you can't even see where the LED strip was soldering together. But like I said, I'm not an expert in any way, shape or form, and soldering is not my strongest thing. But I will leave a link up here to another video where somebody gonna show you exactly how to do it and the correct way to do it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, send it to a friend. Okay, bye bye, thanks for now.